I got this FAIMEE 4K dash cam sent to me to make a video about. All right, let's go ahead and open this thing up and take a look at it, and then we'll take it out in the car and set it up, and then we'll record some driving video and we'll see how the video looks. But yeah, 4K video, this thing looks like it's going to be pretty nice. All right, here's everything that comes in the box. You get the 4K dash cam right here. You can see what it looks like there. It says on the front here, see, it looks like it says, it's got the name there, the FAIMEE, and then it says 4K, and then it says 5G on there. And then you can see the front camera there. And then it's got the sticker here to stick to the windshield. And then it's got some buttons down here on the bottom. So it looks like there's a few buttons. We'll have to look at the manual there to see what all these buttons are for. And then it looks like it's got a speaker there. And then it's got the card is included. The card's in there. So you can see the little cards in here. So there's the card right there. It's got the little 64 gigabyte card right there. Go ahead and put it back in here. And then on the other side here, looks like it's got a nice grip texture there, so it's easy to grip. And then back here, you got a USB-C connector, and then it looks like it's got another connector there. That's probably for the rear camera. It's got a rear camera right here, a rear facing camera, and that's got that cord right there. So that probably plugs into that connector right here. And then the charger right here, the power cord, it looks like it's got a USB-C right here. This connects to the power cord there. And this plugs to the cigarette plug on your car. Comes with the user manual here, the FAIMEE user manual. Then it comes with a little bag here with a cleaner there, and then some more stickers, and then a tool here, a plastic tool, probably to remove the stickers, a few extra stickers, and then some clamps for the wires. So if you want to run this wire here along your car and then connect this to your back window so you can see what's going on behind you. So yeah, this thing looks pretty nice. All right, I'm going to go ahead and go through the instruction manual here and see what I need to do to get it set up. And then I'll take it out in the car and set it up and we'll go for a drive. This dash cam comes with these static shields. You just peel the backing off here and then you just stick this to your windshield. So that way when you stick your dash cam to your windshield, you don't get any of the glue on your windshield from the tape. It just sticks to this shield right here. So these things are pretty nice. It's got the instructions on here. You just put it up here on the windshield. It comes with this tool to get the bubbles out. Once you get it where you want it, then you just go ahead and stick your dash cam up here. And then if you decide you want to take this off later on, you just peel off the shield, and then you don't have a bunch of residue on your windshield from the tape from the dash cam. Another nice feature about this dash cam is that there's a hinge on the back, so you can adjust the angle to get it just right. So you can just move it around there till you get it just where you want it. So yeah, that's pretty nice. So I got it all set up here, and then I just wrapped the cord around the front there. Just gonna go ahead and pull this off. Just gonna go ahead and hit that little power button there. And now it's recording. All right, here's a video of my drive. You can see what the quality looks like here. You can read the stop sign there. You can read the fire lane on the curb. So yeah, this thing's pretty good quality. All right, so that looked pretty good. I was pretty impressed with the camera during the day. Now let's open up a video and see how it looks at night. I got some night videos right here, so you can see how it looks here at night. This is a pretty brightly lit road though. There's a lot of street lights on here. I'll show you another video here on a darker road so you can see how the night vision looks. So yeah, you can see this looks pretty good at night. This is a pretty impressive camera. Looks really good in the daytime and it looks really good at night. So yeah, this thing's pretty nice.